Two electric SUVs. Two completely different answers to the same question: what does the perfect luxury EV actually look like? On one side, the 2026 Porsche Macan Electric, a German sports car legend that absolutely refused to let electrification water down its DNA. Pure precision, relentless performance, a badge that means something the second you pull up. On the other, the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V, America's most ambitious swing at the high-performance luxury EV market yet. 615 horsepower, a sweeping 33-inch display cockpit, and a 0-60 time that will genuinely shock you. Here's the thing: both of these cars land near the $80,000 mark. Both are built for the exact same buyer, someone who wants real luxury, real range, and real performance from a single vehicle, but the way they deliver it, completely different. Today we go section by section: design, interior tech, performance, range, charging, price, and long-term value. We pick a winner in every single round. No filler, no fluff, just real numbers and real-world facts. Stay tuned, because one of these cars has a hidden advantage that most buyers completely overlook until it's too late. Drop your vote in the comments right now: Team Porsche or Team Cadillac. Let's hear it. Let's start where your eyes go first: the design. The 2026 Porsche Macan Electric is unmistakably, unapologetically a Porsche. Wide front fascia, sculpted flanks, that iconic 4-point daytime running light signature. It's built on the PPE platform, the premium platform electric shared with the Audi Q6 e-tron. At just over 184 inches long, with a wider, lower stance than the original gas Macan, it looks planted, athletic, and ready. Step up to the new GTS trim for 2026, and you get wider rocker panels, blacked-out accents, and a unique rear diffuser that sends a very clear message before you even start moving. The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V takes a completely different approach. This car wants to be noticed. Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting towers run front and rear in the crystal weave pattern. The V Series gets exclusive black gloss grille treatment, red V badges, and wheels as standard equipment. The Coupe-style roofline creates an expressive, fashion-forward silhouette that looks like nothing else in this price range on the road today. Side by side, the Macan Electric is the athlete, timeless, precise, and quietly confident. The Lyriq V is the showstopper, dramatic, unmistakable, built to be seen. If curb appeal wins your wallet, Cadillac takes the valet stand moment every time. But Porsche's design will still look sharp a decade from now. Round 1, draw depends entirely on your personality. Step inside, because this is where these two cars really tell very different stories. The Cadillac Lyriq V goes big. A sweeping 33-inch diagonal LED display curves across the full dashboard, one of the largest screens in any production vehicle at this price point. It runs Google built-in natively, Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play apps baked right into the OS. The AKG 19-speaker sound system turns the cabin into a proper concert hall, and Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free highway driving technology, comes standard on the V trim. Semi-aniline leather, available carbon fiber accents, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and 22-color ambient lighting zones make this interior feel like a premium penthouse that happens to have 4 wheels. The Porsche Macan Electric takes a more focused, driver-centric approach. A 12.9-inch curved center touchscreen sits alongside a dedicated driver display, with an optional passenger-side screen available. Surfaces feel tighter and more precisely executed: Alcantara headliner, genuine aluminum trim, premium leather with 0 visible shortcuts. It's not as visually dramatic as the Lyriq V cabin, but every button, surface, and interaction feels completely intentional. Car and driver gave the Macan Electric a perfect 10 out of 10. Cadillac wins on wow factor, screen size, and tech quantity. Porsche wins on material quality, driver focus, and refinement. Round 2, Cadillac Lyriq V for tech lovers, Porsche Macan for craftsmanship purists. This is the section you actually came for. The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V delivers 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque from its dual-motor all-wheel drive setup on GM's 102 kWh Ultium battery platform. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Legitimate supercar territory for a 5-seat luxury SUV. GM Motorsports specifically tuned this car's suspension with magnetic ride control for a system that reads the road surface 1,000 times per second and adjusts damping in real time. Drop it into sport mode and the whole personality of the car changes. Sharper steering, faster throttle response, more aggressive braking feel. EP-aerated range lands at 285 miles. The 2026 Porsche Macan Electric GTS delivers 509 horsepower in standard mode and hits 563 horsepower with Overboost during hard acceleration and launch control. Peak torque reaches 704 pound-feet momentarily at launch. 0 to 60 clocks at approximately 3.3 seconds. Its 800-volt architecture handles thermal management far better than conventional EV platforms, meaning more consistent performance during repeated runs, spirited driving, or track days. EPA range stretches between 290 and 332 miles depending on trim and configuration. On a straight line, virtually identical. On a winding back road, the Macan Electric is in a completely different league. It steers, rotates, and communicates like a true sports car. The Lyriq V is fast. The Macan feels fast on purpose. Round 3, Cadillac for the drag strip, Porsche for the driver's road. Range and horsepower numbers are great, but real ownership is about charging. And this is where the Porsche Macan Electric plays its biggest card. The Cadillac Lyriq V supports up to 190 kilowatts of DC fast charging. In real terms, that recovers roughly 75 miles of range in just 10 minutes at a compatible station. Cadillac includes a complimentary 2-year Electrify America charging membership. In the US and Canada, the Lyriq V now supports Tesla's NACS connector opening access to the expanding supercharger network, which is a genuinely significant perk for long-distance travel. The 11.5 kW onboard AC charger handles a full overnight charge at home in around 8 to 9 hours on level 2. The Porsche Macan Electric's 800-volt architecture enables up to 270 kilowatts of DC fast, charging the highest charging rate in this price class. From 10% to 80% state of charge, takes approximately 21 minutes under optimal conditions. That's not a marketing number, that's a real-world time advantage on every single road trip. Porsche includes 3 years of complimentary Electrify America premium charging. For European buyers, the Macan's 270 kW CCS2 compatibility works seamlessly across Ionity's Hyper charging corridors. 270 kW versus 190 kW is not a small gap. On a cross-country trip, the Macan stops less and charges faster every single time. Round 4, Porsche Macan Electric, and it isn't close. Let's talk money, because spending $80,000 on an electric vehicle is a serious decision that goes beyond the sticker price. The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V starts at $80,090 MSRP including destination. And that price gets you essentially everything: the 615 horsepower, the 33-inch display, Super Cruise, AKG audio, and the complete V-Series equipment list. There's very little option fatigue here. For US buyers, the Lyriq V may qualify for a portion of the federal EV tax credit depending on income thresholds and filing status, potentially returning thousands at purchase. Canadian buyers should check provincial incentive programs as well. The 2026 Porsche Macan Electric starts at $82,650, but Porsche's options catalog means that number climbs fast. Add the panoramic roof, passenger display, sport chrono package, and premium paint, and you're realistically looking at $92,000 to $100,000 on a fully configured example. The Macan Electric currently does not qualify for the US federal EV tax credit due to manufacturing origin requirements. However, Porsche holds resale value better than almost any brand in this segment. A 3-year-old Macan typically retains 65 to 70% of its original value. That depreciation gap alone can represent $10,000 to $15,000 in real money over a standard ownership period. Round 5, Lyriq V wins upfront value. Macan wins long-term resale. Both are legitimate depending on your ownership timeline. Final verdict time. Which EV actually wins? Here's the honest truth: this comes down to who you are as a buyer, not which car is objectively superior. Choose the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V if you want maximum value per dollar at that $80,000 price point, the most dramatic in-car tech experience in the segment right now, and you do most of your charging at home or near an Electrify America location. 615 horsepower, a 33-inch display, Super Cruise standard. It is a lot of car for the money, and it feels like it every single day you drive it. Choose the 2026 Porsche Macan Electric if you want the best charging speed for frequent road trips, a driving experience that genuinely rewards you through every corner, and you're investing in a brand with historically strong resale value and a 10 out of 10 rating. The 270 kilowatt charging speed alone saves real time every single week. For USA and Canada buyers, the Lyriq V likely wins on total ownership value, especially if tax incentives apply to you. For European buyers, the Macan's 270 kW Ionity network compatibility and Porsche's global brand recognition make it the stronger long-term pick. Both cars are genuinely exceptional. The winner depends entirely on you. If this comparison helped you decide, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you're new and tell me in the comments, Porsche or Cadillac, which one did you pick? See you in the next one.